Kublai pi baro pia pe yagari khasi channel bingi wan rasha pia ka thup kubor kani ka tiomenta. Ki phangi bakong san. Henryutali shwa ki jakaya kani onye penbait ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya. Haga porjungi ngilay kran bhai yaga kampen bet put ong Dr. Mukul. Ka jinglong jingman haga jala kadang long ka ba ima ong ba tin song. Balik ka sarkar ka sngabjar halor ka jingmi ki karkhana tit ha East Jaintia Hills. Antokit halor ka jingpoy ukhaw ICDS sa Assam hapo ka laibanay. Dawa ka senjuk ki rang bashnong na Mauhati Sonidan Omla Per bat Umslang Banbu Community and Rural Development Block. Ladu ka school na may rang ha ka examen matric. Bat kiwe de ki kubor. Nginya paimantash ki kubor banya. Ka jila Meghalaya ba ka jila Assam kila shim ya ka rai ba onya pen betshwa bat anya kran halor ki Henryutali ki jaka na preng ki khat artali ki badan ha preng ka jingya ka japut ha preng ki na artali ki jila.
Jadi karai la shim ha ka jingyalang jong ki angot ki mentri rang ba kabalong mentak kasngi hanang ba gawhati hadien ka jak kran put kabalane kumbakat to kan ni kenta. Ha ba kran ba kila pathai ki bor hadien balawai kan ki jingyalang na kalyang ju ki mentri rang ba kilong ba kini Henryutali ki jaka banya pen bet kilong ki bakham suk kat bah Henryutali ki pat kilong ki bakham ya ka badan kam banwar shua ya ka history leni ya ka jindon kam na taban penbait iki haga juga pot kelara ru bakanya kenduk biang hadin life husngi bat kat barang ya kini ki life husngi ki regional committee ki ban khli da ki cabinet minister kenya penbait hala ke jong ki district bat kum diuru hala ke jong ki jenla ki badan kini ki jaga badan ki kini kanya ke jelang kelara ru ba Himanta Biswa Sarma menteri rang ba jong ka Assam bat Konrad Sangma menteri rang ba jong ka Jala Meghalaya kinai ban jengo lang ya ka langpi hakin digisi ke banwan naga bata banwan ra ya ka jing sngan ba ka jing sangsuk yang kipat ba haga tiga thai.
Within these 30 days, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will also be making some visits to some of the areas of differences also in order to give a positive message to the people and to show our keenness and willingness to move forward to finding a solution to this very, very important and long pending difference and dispute that the two states have. Once that these 6 disputes are resolved, gradually we will move to the other 6 places. But in the meantime, as a measure of goodwill, we have decided that Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will go to Lampi also once, so that the people are actually can be feel assured that we are going to resolve the complicated issues also. It is not that we are not going to resolve the complicated issue, but we will start from less complicated issues and we will move towards more complicated issues.
Hadin ka jingsha suspend no ka ba shipor na ka seng BJP udkha joka Dr. KC Boro ulakan no ba u President Jong ka seng uba Ernest Maury uklame ko President Henry kom u Managing Director Jong ka private company.
Ernest Maury is acting not like a president but like managing director of a private limited company. And I would like to say he is, according to me, in my observation, in my view, he is the jury president. There are some other who are the facto presidents.
Dr. KC Boro ula banjo rubon aireng yuba Ernest Maury hapokon.
This is totally illegal, biased, undemocratic, and against the law.
But how party matters
So I challenge it.
Huh? How can party matters go to court?
Party matter.
How can party matter go to court?
And this is injustice done to me. I'll knock the door of the court. I do not know how it will be dealt with. But this is my thinking. I'll challenge it in the court of law. I'll go seeking justice from the court against the injustice done to me. Because it has damaged my image, my prestige. So definitely it will lead up to the defamation case. I'll go to the court seeking justice, followed by defamation case against Ernest Maury, the president. It may be the first incident, provided I go to the court. I think nobody has gone. Because I know I am innocent. Because he has suspended me not from any post, but from primary membership. This is not a matter of joke. So I'll have to challenge it. I will challenge it, and I'll seek justice to the court of law, which will be followed by ultimately defamation case against him.
Halor ke jiapa ya pra hapo seng u Dr. KC Boro ulong ba seng menta kaladan ar mamla shi mamla ki ba ai jingkerchan yu ba AL hek ba shi mamla pat ki ba kirshan yu ba Ernest Maury.
The faction means what? One faction wants Bahek to replace Ernest Maury, and one is with Ernest Maury. Now it is a divided house now. Party is divided into two. It is already split.
Ki laitili ki regional committee ya ki bala thau na ka bantaban wat ya ki mat ki beidei bat ka jinga ka japut bat ka Assam ki le shong ya kendu mana ka sini kongjong ka tayo bat shim ya ka rai bakin hiar shi ki thain khaput ban lab bat yu I hi dala ki jong ki khmat ya ka jinglong ka jingman.
Kajing jurep jong kini ki komiti kan penbuat pat da kajing penbit penbiang ya kakai pot ka ban sapha sya menteri rang ba ka jela bat ya ka ba on sa ai ru sya ka Assam. Kini likely ki komiti kata ka wei na ka benta ka West Coast Hills Ribhoi bat East bat West Gen Hills district lakli da ki menteri bat ha ka ba ki MLA bat MDC na lor kinong lam snong kinlong ru kum ki de khot jong kam ki khat atli ki jaka ki badan hapreng ka jinga ka chaput kilong ka Upper Tarabari ka Gizang ka Reserve Forest ka Hahim ka Langpi Bodwar Nongwa Mautomur piling kata Khanapara Desh di Moria Khanduli Khirni Psiar na ka benta jong ka block 1 bat block 2 bat ka rata chara ka West Coast Hills ka bahap papo ka jingelam da umentri ka tanat PHE uba renek ton lingno tongkhar bat uba brol nong sit ka riboy hapo ka jingelam usembut menteri rang ba uba prestun tensong bat umentri uba da sekhet lamare kat ba ka East bat West Gen Hills onyalam da ki menteri ba kan thup ya uba lakman rembui bat uba singo balangdar kat kum ka jinge thu jong uba renek ton lingno tongkhar laong ba ka kenhon kan yar sekjaka bodon jinga ja West Coast Hills ha ka South Lake mentau benai bat harin kan ni on sapha pat ya ka kai phot ka papura sya umentri rang ba ka jelam Lakmi lenti baya kini ka kaipot on penbit penbiang no ha kasanterik kanang banyo apat ban ailang sya menteri rang ba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ha ka jelang ka balabu ban pelong ha kan rotarik mentau banai hagati uba renik ulong bakumba kalong mentahi ondan lachu da kumoi pat ban penbet uput usam lat nyotang da ka give and take policy ne ka jing ai bat sim jaka markeliang bat ha ka bau lakan turu ya ka Assam bahkan kham perkhat namar kalong kum ka kemi Habakran hagabayde bat kacinghe palat kedor register jaka khaput uba renik ton ulaban baladon kam banwa jakilat kelenti ban penduna ya kabai penrung ne register jaka kabala long he bha na ka benta kipat ba ban penrung keteng ya ke jaka ke jongki.
Since you all know that there was a committee in the district in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government and one committee in West Coast Hills I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Coast Hills on 4th, day after tomorrow. Myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives. Of course, along with the official from the district West Coast Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages, falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. So that is the information that I can give you as of now. Where we will also be going, some of us, to go along with our Chief Minister. And we should have the report, brief report, short report, whatever we can do when we come from our inspection. We have one day on 5th where we can compile the report, whatever we can get from that inspection. Most of the people, we understand that if we really want to find a solution, it seems that there is no other way to find a solution except give and take. I just want to reiterate it again that by give and take we expect big heart from Assam. We expect big heart from Assam, and I wish that will happen. I wish that will happen because they are the parent state. From them we got Meghalaya. So as parents, I think they will consider to keep enough space for the children when they go out. So I hope, I still expect Assam also, they will not feel like they are giving to foreigners, but they are giving to their own daughters to their own children. So taking that into consideration, we hope we will be benefiting, and Assam will have a big heart to keep those land, especially those land in possession by the people of Meghalaya for many years, for 100 years. So those land, we expect that Assam would keep and will declare that they belong to Meghalaya.
Kaseng Congress kabadon ha kaliang persya kala ong ba hakipor ba kala don ha kabor kala dep ya kren ha ka CLP ha ka baide bat ki khat artali ki jaka ki badon ha prengka jingya kini put bat ka jala Assam da ka bobo ya ka jimen to chung ki paj ba hakman
Habai kren bikla bathai khubor unang elam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai thu bala dep pelong rui ki jia merjim mot bat baro ki badan benta bar kani ka kam khaput bar ki jing tho ki dan lot halor kini ki jia kren baro ladap pen kre bala dep ru ban IT yakini ye ka sarkar Assam hakapor badan ka jia lang ban yakran halor ka jia khaput.
Our stand is to be read on the basis of the documentation that we have submitted. Okay, that is our stand. Very clear. Now, if in course of their discussion, if they can convince, okay, people go by something else, that is a different thing. But then the thing is that we have tried to understand the sentiment of the people. We have tried to understand the facts from the ground zero vis-a-vis various records available before us. And how this particular issue evaded resolution. Obviously, because this resolution could not be comprehended properly in absence of the proper documentation. So we did spend lots of time in documentation. You will remember, we were alleged of not being able to see immediately. Because, see, honestly speaking, I have shared it before all of you earlier that I thought all the records were available. The whole documentation to substantiate our claim and justify our claim were all available with the government in 2010. But it was not available. Only when I had a review at my level, then the Revenue Department ultimately confessed that we didn't have enough documents to really substantiate. We were in the process of collection. Then we had to, ultimately even go beyond the records which were available within the four walls of the government office. We asked for any available records available with any of the citizens of Meghalaya. We did it, and we received many, which ultimately amplified whatever records were available with the government. That's why we had an exhaustive documentation. It took time. But the thing is that when you want to justify your claim, you have to be, in a stronger wicket.
Kumtau Dr. Mukul Uloong, ba kijia kran menta nang ni shakmat, kidei ban board bat pensyong nong rim hakini kijing tho.
They are new to this subject. They'll have to study all the aspects of this problem from the perspective of what are those factors which have been taken into consideration in course of various discussions in the past, and any decisions in that kind of discussion that was arrived at. Unless they acclimatize themselves with those records, it will be very difficult for any officer to understand what exactly is the ground reality. They are completely dislocated from the ground reality. I am telling you, even our officers, they are posting left and right officers. How will they? When will they acclimatize with the issue? Do you think all the DCs are acclimatized with the problem of border? It is not. That's why I am saying this government is anti-people. Most useless government. Do you think the officers in the Revenue Department know about the border problem? All of them? No. I have seen it myself when I was the Chief Minister. So, they are transferring and posting this is left and right, SPs, left and right. For whose interest? See, these people have destroyed this state. They have destroyed the system. If the system is destroyed, institutions are destroyed, there will be complete dislocation. That's the reason why our officers are not being able to protect and articulate the things appropriately. Because they don't even know there should be stability of the officers. You look at West Kharsil DC. One of the DCs during our time we kept for more than 6 years. Why? Because it is necessary sometimes to retain an officer. These are for the purpose of protecting our people. Many people will not know unless people are analytical about these decisions. That's why I'm saying governance is not everybody's cup of tea. Where is the Chief Minister now? Please find out. Is he within the country or outside the country? Please find out. When people are dying because of COVID, and when such an important issues are being discussed, when some of the MLAs will be going and visiting the areas of difference without doing any homework.
Ka jinglong jingman jong ka jalan nagadaw ka khlam COVID-19 kampat long ka basengan hadu mentamene Henry kadang long ka ba imashibun.
Kumta na kaliang Menteri Rang Ba Benrap ke Sarkar Jelau barang Shushimti Shen ya katanat ka koi kakia ulong ba kajing hangdam ha ka jela kanumdan Henry kerpat pat ikipaj ba ban sumar bahayalade barban shim ya katika ya dana kani ka khlam. Kajing dan ki bayo pang ha bashim kelum kadang ne sa ha ka sanspa tam shisngi bar kajing yap ka long kum bashipong shisngi.
The question of lockdown does not arise. Okay? But my appeal to all the citizens of the state to take care, because the situation is very grim, situation is not conducive, situation is not good at all. So I would request to every citizen of the state to take care of themselves. And number two, I would like to request all of them to kindly get themselves vaccinated.
Habala kali la kani gade ke jinglin shop ka balai jong kani ka khlam ubatan sang ulong Pakistan ka koi ka khia kim shim pat ong kumta Henry new variant ubamenta ulong ubapur state bha kumta ka long ka beima bar ka baha ban fikir baha da baro.
In fact, the expert does not say whether third or fourth, but what I'm trying to tell you is this, because this Delta variant is spreading so fast, it's very, very concerning to the state government as well as to all the citizens.
Usim ka raj nongtung uba mi wel shadap uloong ba ka today berbor ka jela Assam ka bejuan kentur put shakish nong khasi ban penpra ya ki jingtei kum ki Aganwadi center ba kiwe kiwe.
Baju kentur pun nem ka Meghalaya pasca Assam.
Ya ka Assam ngim khalaya ta don we kumalong ha ka jaka jumi shawe jamti ngi shama khalaya ta be tang hai jaka la jong hi tre yektai Teo Assam te kumta teng tiang haki sengi jiba menchua usai yawan penpra cina kajing ICDS ayure kajing berbar ayure
ka Meghalaya kam jukun turpo
oh ka Meghalaya te kam
te hakam ko dur pa pipiriang ikene ka give and take policy na ka Meghalaya kam jukun turpo kat ba ka Assam ko kuntul ko hakki tang jaka bagi Meghalaya
na da ka bugurang da ki baspa tali di hajar tali di tho ni la tho ha ko government na du ka bayo ya ka tiat Meghalaya wan ka we ka sarkar ngela tho wan ka we ki sarkar ngela tho ngela pentip ya ka jing shisha ngela pendai yang tu ki kot ki slabarim baja dari kim ya keren tat ha ka ne ka sarkar ka MDA menta kawan ka ne ka jing ya keren ka shisha dari ki we sarkar mundan ngala jo jing mot hi na ka tu ko sunjuk hirang ba chnong bagi kita ki senang kiba don manga ni menjur baik ban-ban yang Meghalaya ai bagi kita ki we kiwat ki unsuwai ki umpanai ki ni ki teru upai ba bariahi upwa Meghalaya ditang gitu ki bala gentleman ki bala kerduet ki bala nang latat la yo kam ko samtang ku we argen ngala leksi na unsuwai wa jami pai ba upendeng yang ada ka jan rengi arteli lai teli
Oke menjur lang kan?
Oh, kia menjur. Lada ka blok tu kan wan sa Meghalaya. Ay no kada para sa Assam ro beriu dengi
Kini gino yalam karai kilawan rat pensyai halor kajing syak keno MLA kamauhati bada sakhian lamari da kaboang bamenta baladan MLA hajan kikam penroi ru kilawan.
Kam de kajing kawang kiti enrai ka detang kajing pensyai. Mo tang kajing pensyai ban nom don kajing sotu bakala lane ka jing kajing perkhat bakala da kungoi pat Nisuk kuat tang ban yo ban ai kan jing pensai ba kum ki breu ki bala sai ki bala start ki bala nang ki bala sotu ngim dei ban keren tok met yano la ne ban pha dem yano mo klem kan ngorem ku ba biang ngamot banong ba na ka e ga daw ngin pha pan map yo to MLA na ka e ga daw bomu na hapan wan pan map ba hai e gidan kita ki breu ban pan map ro mo kata ka de ga jing ko ajungi te ngi yong ban na kaleng jungi pai ba ngim dan e banong ba ude ban wan pan map nangi Bat kam don neru ka banta la ne ka kam snu ka bola le apa deng jungi apa bordar area jungi but ngisngo ba umdei banwan ban panmap
ki pai ba ki lai thu ru ba menta namar ba ki briu ki lai don la ki phone ki lai yo ki jingtep ki ba kham kloi ba ki lai yo ru ban lit pentep shi ki briu sarkar la raja ba wan de don bor ki briu ka Assam
menchua namar ba ki MLA ngimdan hajan mo tenalor kata ru sakini ki phone la niki tai ru ki jengai yang pat dan mantang la biang kena doak la biang ki phone mo tinggal be kontak kana kono ko por ba mingi don kam haye ngasu itu ipi yakini kendiat singi bladem no keladon ki jing penwit pentun hakikat to kat ne ki bantai jong ke barat area kepada bat kini ki skim ki bang nyerak na Meghalaya hoi wala da kadon ki jing penwit andre ki bobun ki sinom pat hadin bengelaya tip baki don kita ki jing penwit ngelalet ban ya kenduk ki ki forest ki breu jong ka ain lan ngilai kenduk ki ki no sustong auto ndan ki jing wet ngilala ban tre dek basuk
hadin ki ki khubor ngi nya sange shwa shipor dang ya saban ngi swan phai piang shapi bat kini ki bat ki khubor balika sarkar ka sangam jar halor ka jingmi ki karkhana ted ha East Jaintia Hills antoket halor ka jingpoi ukhau ICDS sha Assam hapo ka laivenai dawa ka sinju ki rangba shnong na mauhati Sonidan omla per bat umslang banbu community and rural development block ladu ka school na mai rang ha ka examen matric bat kibe de ki khubor
Guidance for early diagnosis and early treatment. Tested positive for COVID and have no symptoms. You have tested positive for COVID but have no noticeable symptoms. Here is what you have to do. Take the following precautions. Stay at home, wear a mask and maintain distance from other family members. Drink a lot of warm water and other fluids like soup and juices. Do steam inhalation. Do breathing exercises. Eat nutritious food. Medicines you must take. 1. Vitamin C. Dosage. Take tablets after food for 10 days. Adults, 500 mg tablet twice a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age, 500 mg tablet once a day. What to monitor? Keep an eye out for any symptoms such as fever or weakness. Consult your doctor or call 14410 if any symptoms emerge. Issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.
Nginya saban ni kerikasi channel nginya beteng biya mata ki khubor. Kajimi ki karkhana tit East Jante Hills District kalong ka ima shibon namar kan kta ya ka kot ka khia chung ki pai ba ki basa ki ti than.
Halor kene MLA ka Congress namo Sandra Mubahima Shangpliang Uladawa na ka sarkar jala bakadeban khang kredep no ikini ki karkhana barban tokit kat kum ka an ya gitrai jong kini ki karkhana. Ulong bakalong ka basngo khiaru ban yo sngo ye ka jing ujor na ki pai ba jong ka than bakitdem jaklia ki mi na kini ki karkhana kabala ban kta ki brio khamtam e ki khalung khana.
As a responsible citizen of the state, I feel that all these coke factories that are illegal has to be shut down immediately. The government has to take action immediately on this, and any sort of illegalities that have been prevailed in that area should be stopped forthwith. I am pained to hear the complaints of the residents of that area when they called me and they said that from 9 p.m. at night till 5 a.m. in the morning, all these coke factories are functioning, and these people, the residents of that area, are inhaling this toxic smoke that is emanating out of these coke factories.
Uang baka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, baka Central Pollution Board, kini ban pinshitom i gitrai jung kini ki karkhana, na markim shimpat yo ya kanoga jingman jor ban chna la ne ban pintre kam ya kini ki karkhana. Kabapin kindit shushu long bahima kalong bakini ki karkhana ki thangru ki jaklia ki bami na ki hospital kum ki tiar inject bar kiwe bar kane ka boru ki jinkali bana ei kini ki karkhana ki yo yu do yong ban pinan kam.
I am even more shocked to learn that all the hospital wastes, like the syringes and all the vials and other wastes of the hospitals, find their way in all these coke factories. And on inquiry, I was told that these are all the fuel that is required to burn the coal in the furnace. Is the health authorities aware about this? Is the Deputy Commissioner of the district aware about this? And if they are aware, why are they silent? Why can't they implement the laws that have been given to them? Why haven't we seen one single coke factory being closed down? Ever since there has been a hue and cry on this. Why do we have to see people coming in the street to tell the government to close down these factories?
Artoyo hadian baka seng samla maulai pelun kala khangya kamarten umentri ki kampen roy sorjong kejela umas niaw bhalang dhar ulakhot ya kejingalang hapdeng kini ke seng u MLA baru MDC ka maulai menha ka lai tarik mentau benai.
Hadian kini kecil lang umas niaw bhalang ulai thu haglap thai kubor bon thau ya ke joint committee ya ka bon klido CEO ka municipal. Katanat ka badai pek kanang pelong ru ya ke jingwat daki jaka bathamai bar on pelong ru ya ke jingpen bana ba ke jingpen su thu pai ba halor kani.
Kajing ikan ni kani higa juhi na marwa. Kerang bat udah beli rukia don higa jing. Singo kia yang ada di Morten. Tinggal lagi kan lagi flu jing mudi. Tinggal lagi awan dah kaju higa jing mud bah. Lakat balak ru ngin pen klohi ban yo ya kan yulan film lang mentang jing bah jongi. Kam tam jongi pa jing mulai jongi. Kata ada condition jongi.
Kat bau film yang awak kita cakap. Kai kau pilih apa yang Morten nomor kiong bakal asli dulu.
Kalau kum ni ngilak form komite mutani. Joint committee from my officer with the Sengayu, they will do the needful.
Any time frame ban rak ban pendap nak ini kakam?
At the earliest.
General Secretary juga seng samla mulai pelun ubak samran seim ulang bagi community ba onla ban penbet ya kani kakam hakrukam makan argument toy om tanya kishnong hendre ya kejelahi brok away.
We are very excited to be a part of this meeting because the minister himself has ensured that he will do whatever he can in his authority to ensure that this Martin is solved under this tenure, under the leadership of Mas Yong Balang Dhar, and also that he has made his commitment and statement during his press statement. He has said that he'll prove that he can do. So we are very much excited, and also we hope that he keep his words, his promises, so that this will bring smiles and happy faces and joy to the people of Maung Lai. We have discussed regarding this Martin issue time and again, and today we mentioned that the issue of Martin should be solved in a way that not only the people of Maung Lai will benefit it, but then the whole state of Meghalaya will benefit it from this new solution. It will be a permanent solution to the state as a whole.
UMDC Jongka Mawhati constituency uba Charles Marngar lembat kid khot jongka all tiwa union Jongka Meghalaya state committee menhakalai tri menta ubnai kelapin pawe ka jing smokia ka bajur halor ka jing ja klep ka scheme sam boarding balamang da ka sarkar pedeng kaya ka balatip kum ka sobhagya scheme.
UMDC Kamawhati constituency uba Charles Marngar lembat kinongelam ko all tiwa union Jongka Meghalaya state committee hakalai treng mentau banai kilapin pawe ke jing skokia halor ke jing ja klep jongka scheme sam boarding balamang da ka sarkar pedeng ya ka balatip kum ka sobhagya scheme. Kani ka scheme kade ka balamang shiki pratali kishnong hindre hadu menta gini kishnong kidang haban shongdum klem ke jing shalan boarding na katanat MECL. Kini ki prashnong ki badan haki benta khappo jaga jala Meghalaya kila haban shongdum mentala kumba saus namiye nadu ka sinem arja khan rio. Nakaliang uba Charles Marngar lem kinongelam jogani ka union kiralait banya kendu USE ka riboy distribution circle jokatanat MECL hakaba kila dawa mardor bakani katanat kade ban shimkhia ban pinbiang boarding no shikini kishnong khappo jong ka jala Meghalaya.
Ya ka jing kendu ka jongi ngelapan sngow yaki bangila ka mardor ban aino ik connection. Hadin ka jing kran ngi sutu ba ka problem hi ka jing hi jong ka ka office ka de be manpower. Dan manpower. Hang tei ko malaong ipi ngalak men ha kaniru ngalai kendu director jong ka distribution. Ka problem ka long ba ha ka siang area ka ba cover live south lagi senang dan tang uai u lineman. Itu lineman no belayam na du snem arja si po hadum tampat thuk. Te kam dei tang hang tu para ko wei ka konsumsi mau hati bat para ko wei ka jelahi ni tekhu ni mat ni ka jing. Di komisi keren no hang ni ru ngi ka jing shortage ka man power ngiwan hang ni office mentaro. Kalau kangrang di office ngau balai tu na breu kom ni office. Kyong o ba tu na ka man power. Ubala song thai dan policeman su lakut. Kim thong su. Kita ka di jing jong ka office. Kendre ka jing keren ki jong a bat kini ki parlok jong ultiwa student ni ya. Adin bangi lapan ngau ngi so ban ai ku blai ya SE ba di executive engineer jong di balak kular belai ke jing kular lokoloi kat balak mentah di kinle no ini ke kam dina kaliang jong ki absuru kinsa yarap ke ban penkoi transformer ban penkoi ya ka jingnya jong ki sinar lai kila kular ban ai ke jing tre lang ban yaram bat ka office nang ta ka office pat de kanuan ban ai connection ya ke jing tre lang ngakremen scam ba kini perlok di jong i sete ke sangdum bro serta kinsa yo lai no.
Uba Prestun Tinsong u Menteri Rangba Bin Rap Jongka Sarkar Jila ubaderu u Minister Jongka Food and Civil Supplies Department ulalu mega jingalang menta katayo ban panjing ken halor ka jingdon ki marbam haga jila.
Hagani ka jialang la donlang ki DC ni ki district ka jila ringkat katuk ani ngot ki Menteri ka Sarkar.
I just had a meeting with all the deputy commissioners. We review in case of any lapses or any late allotment of food grain is so everything is right.
Halor ka jingpoi ukhaw balamang da ka ICDS scheme sha boka Assam ka sarkar jila ka lathaw da ka committee ka bakarpang ban khapi ba token but yakni ka committee unclear da u justice Mulchand Garg ubelong u nombishar balashong thai ka Madhya Pradesh High Court.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare Makar mention lah kasi balang mendakateo ulai thu bakane ka committee ka haban IT ka kaipot bakhadu halor ka jing toket hapo ka lai banai nadu bapin mi ya ka jing penbena.
Number 1 is that inquiry into the matter of rice allotted to Continental Milk Roast India Limited for the Supplementary Nutrition Program SMP found in a private godown in Boko, Assam and seized by Assam police. And number 2 is inquiry into the quality of fortified supplementary nutrition programs, food items being supplied to the children, pregnant and lactating women under the Integrated Child Development Service schemes, and whether any testing is done and whether it is as per the norms. Then number 3 is inquiry into whether the quantity of food reaching the beneficiaries is as per norms. These are the 3 terms and conditions. Then even we have put this also, the final report of the inquiry shall be submitted within 3 months.
Hadik ti khubor nya sangya biang sa shipor da yang saban ni yin saban ra biang shaphi ki ni khubor ki bang sa dawa ka sinju ki rang ba shnong na mauhati sonidan omla per bat umslang banbu community and rural development block ladu ka school na mai rang ha ka examen matric bat kiwe de ki khubor Kelawan Pabiang Shingi Kadikasi Channel, Ngine Beteng Metaki Kubor Kiberasa. Kasenjuk kirang ba asnong nakasnong Mauhati Sonidan Laper bat Slang ringkat bat MDC ka Mauhati constituency wa Charles Marngar kilabu ya ka Dorkhas ha khmat uba Hamlet Dolling bandawa ban bu ya ka Community and Rural Development Block ha katika than khnang ban ra ya ka jingajan bat kipai ba.
On behalf of the Joint Action Committee of the Senjuk Rangba Asnong of the Mauhati area, which includes of the 4 Senjuk Rangba Asnongs, we are coming here to meet the Minister concerned of the CNRD block for the purpose that it is the high time that we need to have a block in our area. Right now, to say that because we demand for this block, the main thing is that most of our village is very far. Right from the Siang area up to Sling block, it is more or less 90 up to 100 kilometers, including the approach roads that we have to go through. So it is a very, very big problem for the headmans and the chairmans of the BECs to reach to the block to fulfill the office needs of the block for the profits of the village. So for that only we are coming and put the memorandum to the Honorable Minister Consent of CNRD block.
Sa sisian pat UMDC ka Mauhati constituency uba Charles Marngar ringka beki pat ba jong ka snong paham rinyai kilemi pat ba ban maramot ika surok ka badon ha ka te snong ka bala daptang daki tliu kis ar bat ka bala pensitom hadu kata kata ki pat ba ha ka ya yang ka jongki khamtam e ha ka likawan jongki bapangi basitom.
Kipai ba jokani kathan wat lakila o la nam chikinong mikmat jakathan na bon sin hindre kim shim la yo pat yo so pathiang halor kani kasurong hindre na kalian kipai ba kila ai kuble yu ba Charles Marngar uba wat hai bor kumu MDC ubarang shusha jet shen hindre la pan iya kamen sim ban tenrong e kajing e kipai ba da kabedan ben talang hakani kajing maramot e kasurong hakani kishnong
but kalong ke e bersosi ba ye ki klong ki kna ki teman ki kro ki bapangru lahaban tap dagi ni bolere pick up ban kit ban kiu se ban me sam solai ban ne sim dawai ban ne yau le hat ban be iki wei pat ki kam ki dok ki dan kam ki jongki ke ni sokmen bah ki ni khendiat snam yo ni surang nang te na po pamlaban ba upoi hado hang ni tenrei nang ni pada udang sa uni surang nang ni tentu ban uni surang umlong banyak kalirit ki banyak non surok ki detang kini ki kali ki badan special gear badan four wheel ki kalirit kim lai kedon ko ki kali bayak mener ni ka sakut dah teng habane khnyat kita kade gejing e bagi pai ba nong snong ki mat ki kendo jadien bangila ya keren ba orang ba snong bat ka to ni giro orang ba bat khamtam e kilong kemi ha ki wan ban kendo hieng jonga ban ye thu ing ni gejing e kat no nga pangnut kumunong yalam kumunong mi kmat bat kumta ngasung thu ilode bangamdon gunung no skim ke bangaban siang dan banti surok di kumtang le pen bayi ki bahakani kisngi ini ami pai ba rengkat bagas nong ban trei yang surok nang ban pensuk ya kalai kawan bagi kali ritru kinyo ban ya nun surok ban suk kalai kawan khamtam ke kit ka ba badru nakamanda ki bapang ki basitam
ini kisnam ki baladam siam jinge ban induk mo siang nam ta nu surok tenteng don hakapang hakamit kiyong nglak ban tip lesem nong si bejia ar bejia mimit ni hap ban sim dawai hakan ngon jaka ana hakan ngon ka health department henry habangi resep ya ka maruti ni hap man yalam dai da ka murti hap ban khnyet na den ban menaru kan ngon jing sya da don iwe murti nang tei bawan ban kiu sanai sanang henry kem sim nala ni hap ban khnyet ni ki pai ban ngon senong ki bai kere kan surong te lese naduk kan tarik ke bamata ringkat ke jingwan snok tilang MDC jongi iba Charles Marngar nakam ta ban ya trelang ikan ke surok nakam ta ban marmot ikan ke surok kena kali yang jong aku marmot sinong se hakan ke porbat hak ni ke janmet ngamla banong pan klem da pan pau ni sukmen ko kra kan por marba rangkat ke jingwan jongi le se ki pai ba nu sinong jongi nang ni skmat lada don kapang sistem lada don hakan ngo jinge lada dei hakaslap lada dei hakal er na trai ba kam don chu ke jinge namar ba ngila marmot yegane bat ba ngila siang hiru don mau te nakali yang jongi ki pai ba nu sinong le se ngin khamsuk nang ni skmat lada hakan ngo benta habang idon kam ban lek banwan ban kit ban ba ban lek sim dawai kumta terter te ngi trai ba lengba ke jinge dorong kat lang UMDC ubalawan yes nok tilang hangne Henry uwan man snok tilang Henry ula sim hiru yomok hiru ne tornem wan bom ban ti yakini ka surok ban penha rangkat ban ngi ki pai ba nang sinong te na kaliang ngajunga kat nu ngata pergi sukmen kom kraw kan por bat ha kene ke jingit bat komjur ngso man achulei ki pai ba nang sinong anu ba yu sneu ya ke jing pensawa na kaliang ngajunga kumur ma sinong ngala ong yu nong ko thoi ba ide bani tresnong ban ngi ya marmot no ek surok mar ba idon pedeng jingjar idon pedeng jing stom nang ta ban lek ban wan nam ta nu surok ke le se ki pai ba nang sinong ru maru sneu kata ke nong pentip Henry ki pai ba nang sinong kim sam karnga Henry le mi renti iwe pe iwe
u Emily ka maulai constituency wa piti sau kmi ula pen pau ya ka jing song khia ka bajur lor ka tingkala rong le ka wa umshing na ka daw ka jing tu jong ka dut na ka Directorate of Dairy Development ka badan ha maulai japung shakati ka wa ka balong ka tolong ka basam na ka benta ka snong mauyong borok ko
Wemeli ula kerpat ya ke dairy development bakan cim kia ban pinbet ya kene kejing bat bakan beteng syu ban cabiang kumni hari nabut. Habai dei bakan ni kejing hakas ni balang jong ke sautarik unai lar kinong kit kam ke darbas nong moyong jupung bat moyong rem kila ya kendu ya director uba GA war ha kejing don ringkat ki wei ki he officer baladon langru ki he officer na katarat PHE nalor wemeli katan.
Ti da kejing tristom ye ki berkhot kimia be renti. Ya sai sien kejing kerpat na kadang junga kalong ya ka komiti hap dikena kalong ba la ka field committee hap kendok menta ya uniu dari ofsa mana beri betul ofsa tak mengat dengan kran batengnya karena kan menta committee ke field skam ba sang peliang ba yang jong anak kan buat ba sang peliang ba no sekarang di committee ke field ka responsibility ka deng menta jong dari ofsa yang ba field ka jemu im sim kia dengan am kwa kalong la sha de sngi kalong ba ang so ba committee kam terekam ma ba sakar ni belum mana imka ba komiti kan ang balai fi fitreh ni bang ang ong gibri habang yo kam ni hap songo bang yo kam dan bri bon don lagi lak gibri gum don kam don jam ngadi songo yo balai bang yo dong amali marhamula lagi lak gibri don kimlong amali tu ngamor we hatta yo syakri ngadi ong gibri hobi yo kam yo wadi kam berit jadi kam driver jadi kam syukida jadi kam pion hap songo yo kam lagi paulak ke bum yo kam tengok ko dari ofsa jengi itip dari ofsa ini di betristam belum komited bahaya kam akak betristam akak balak nu kan mi yang komplain ka komplain kan mende isu bala sya ada komplain kan mi responsible lagi ni hak simi dari ofsa du chairman tengah akak berkat meeting syang wa fi kan no belum ha ini ofsa jong fi kita semua kamlo matahi kalau kita ki ofsa jong ba sembiang bisa guide fi ke manle tinggi kak akan bed kan diang kan ni kan dan syu kan no menta kan nong ka jingnam
Ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School pendem umyong mairang kalayo ra ya ka kedan ka bahak lido haka result jong ka exam matric na ka SSLC belapen benamen haka si pali jong ka tiyo kani ka long lingba ka jing yo jong Kevin Star Lauren yang na pendem umyong ya ka kedan ka beningkong haka top 20 list
Uni usamla uwan na kalong yang ka beduk bar usa awai ha pendem umyong Kevin ula yo priang ikani ka result hapadeng ka jingpang COVID-19 hakaba ka yen ka samjang u ka sha khangdam Hindre Kevin shim na dan ki wei par ki jingstam hakamet ka phat barula mi aphalau ban yakran bu nong ai khobor jongi ringkar ka jingbo danti iki kindon jong ka sarkar
nikang nisap te ka jing sungu ka lechu le tra kan rap klam ka jing rap le jing na te ngai jing le ya ka school bat ya baro ki lengka ki bela ya rap kaptam bakayat online kila tristom kila ikinut kay nga ay kublero ya borok kila ya rap nga kila kisan
Pope fi prepare kan exam ni file online ka don kan ka jing snow ka jing snow system problem
kidon kijing kibun ndrai ski gila namar yo kinut jing batai pat jinjat okay kumta hadin ski pat telah ayu bisa kamai sampai la YouTube lah. Te kiminikaru ki Arab dan ikol ikloy ban batai. Ndrai ke jinjar
mà cầm long cùng cả và mình đi làm vượt class để
thì phi what we talk the exam we expect phi abis we expect phi yo anika position ne
em nga expect tang distinction habro kai saja tang kata kathong janga kadai tang distinction habro kai subject tang kata kram expect ya top ai nama
ta
ngam ju
menta fin continue ha ka class 11 ma fin ki ga filik ka ga stream
science
na dap ka sen pa ki ga jing thu fi dia na bo ka ba long yo
kata tengah patep ndrai lada late sini ru ngan tristom ba ngan penpoi ba jadu kathong
ki ai try ke mo fi de wa one part position cái message juga mana ki parlok ki kena school ki ba dang police school ki namangin wan sama dang ki pode
message nga kalong ba wala da day na kalong hi hong sam ka badok de ka ba kumbi kum tai Henry Tristom poi kan poi wes kathong senia hoblai kumubreu de Tristom pemiat ka bala try islet ka bor give the bus and you will receive the bus locally up tang kata ka message but Tristom but kaweru ni ha senia kimintai na ban interaktif ban keren ba
kau mau keben ki babun ki belum nak kanong ki be ki school selong mah ki khat ibat ki school nasar ki khamwan khamat ki khamla manta pat hit pas ne mairang kai phika ban pa lor kene
ngate ngan lek bet halas nong ngam lek sesor ni semesta kawai kadai kawai seben hoy mo bro school ki don kajong standard ndrai ka school pat kamdai kata ka bapen poi pi sa top mo kadai ka jing Tristom la jong kumbo ang pila banyalam yo kulai sawa andre phimla ban pindi ka kumta ka jing ong kan ti kumtaru ka school kala ban pen biang pi na dang sedang andre lada phim Tristom pat la jong kan poi sai ka
Nagajo ka school ba nagajo ka shnong la dan sakaway par ka samla kablawan ka kedan ka bashipho bar kane ka de ka samla Queen Annabelle and Basayumod
he expect ma finyo ang result for fifth exam
kum bala do menshwa ngala bun ngala kamwan sakmat dena takadaw bun sen laju expect then takadaw baki no hikai ki vice principal ki principal ru ki layabo ki laya penkret lang ya ke laya I mean siam lang nga bangan penkret nomor kumba ni hi barongi expect ba ya ka bapha dena takadaw expect man
kini ka sam ajar ko gabung ki chamo school gelong online no mentaru so ka exam lu prepare kum lu lepat ye so ka exam
ningkong te hap puli bela jong te yale be ban sutho nang da don ki doubts ki airu ni kali be la kinong hikai namang long open bet bat kinong hikai ta naga online classroom ngila yo hi ki notes ki jing batai ta hadin ni don ru kaya interaction bet kinong hikai mo ta hadin ta sepen saya penkret lang la de
Sebentar pila ada ke matric pindah 11 pi tu balik kilai ni yo
tu ban like science
sama pila si admission hai pilih admission
pat sim admission te
kai ka message pika banai pat ye kina school ki bani le exam ke dia
te kumbangi barok ngidan haka ni ka pandemic ka lockdown te bunangi ngimla ban school khamtam ni don ki khna ki bam yo ban le online class ban le ai te ngakwa ban ong ba ngim dai ban du jing perman ni ngila hi ban puli la de namar ni don ki no hi kai ki ba la ban ten lan ki yang ni wa la ngim la ban let school ban yo kenduk mat maru ni don ka lat kalenti da ka phone ka mobile mo banyak kran lang bat ki no hi kai ta keng ban om ya du jing perman kamtam hakani ka lockdown
Kashinong pindam umyong ka don hapdeng ka jing syak hangdam mentala khatway singi namar ka jingling shop ka klam COVID-19. Kirmen bakani ka kubor ka babaha na kisamla ki bapas baha ka metric ka long ka jing kirmen bat ka jing kirmen ka shinong hi barok away kumbalapan pau do sodar ka shinong uba bis emyong.
Kaya ka jing snow di piya ka nakapua?
Don kong ngasu i to ka les wato kibin lauriniang tinggal semua kan mah pi kini sini ngadang tho akales ba yok kubet tinggal musuh tikena dengan pun dai perlak dai kuben bahasa hang ni terus orang pada kuben mau ba dang pada sistem kubet kemen hang kata-kata bi ba mau jumpa berkat mau kum nak ing sam joki beli baduk bekerdu ba sebelah thomo thomat ban sai kai ni kun ba long top 10 haka me pok Meghalaya ngaso ba long ka kum ka jipos ni ngil kum sno ka thau ni da ba jing keman ka khrawe bang ai kum lay jing bok riang ke ben banang ni skman nak ki sofrang hak jing pule ba ki jing kum ba per bang mu udan
ha shwa bangin pin kod ki khubor ngin pin sobian shapie ki phang ki bokong san sa shisi Henry Tuli shwa ki jakaya kini onye pin bait ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya haga por jangi ngilai kran bhai ya ka kam pin bait put ong Dr. Mukul ka jinglong jingman haka jela kadang long ka ba ima ong ba tin song Balika Sarkar ka Sngapjar halor ka jingmi ki karkhana tit ha East Jante Hills Antokit halor ka jingpoi ukhaw ICDS sha Assam hapo ka laivenai Dawa ka sinju ki rangba shnong na Mauhati Sonidan Omla Per bat Umslang Banbu Community and Rural Development Block Ladu ka school na mai rang ha ka examen matric bat kibe de ki khubor Barhadin kitungin pin kut noi kini ka thuk khubor jong kini ka tiomenta kublei pi baro batyaso